Hey everyone, on this episode of Bobscaping, we're back to look at this burning bush that we cut back this spring. It was a major cutback, and as you can see, it's grown back very nicely. It's got good dark green leaf color and some real vigorous new growth. So the next step here will be to reshape it and see how that looks. Okay, we're going to use some Sandvik Pradines here, and we have some great background sound from the neighbors' barking dogs this morning. It's always great when two neighbors have dogs that bark at each other across the fence. Okay, so we'll get some shape here. And you know, when you're using this kind of hand shear, you always want to keep your tips up. Keep the tips up, that's kind of the secret. And try not to take too much at one time. So small bites, tips up, and then oh, they're really having a good time this morning, aren't they? Okay. All right, so I mean, you get the idea. It's still got some gaps in it here, but I mean, those will fill in over time. The shrub's actually done pretty nicely so far, and in another year or so, you won't even be able to tell that it was ever cut back. All right, for this episode of Bobscaping, this is Bob.